Greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's learn these wonderful styles together. When I say styles, I mean styles. Wonderful styles together. Alright. With this one base of head wrap, I created 6 beautiful style with it. So please don't just be in a haste to watch and walk away. Relax, you're going to see what we are going to learn today. You have a lot to learn. Once you're able to do the base, I mean you already know how to do 6 good styles. Okay, so placing the fabric on my hand. What is on my hand is Seiko material. So placing it on my hand this way, the division is just 1090. Just take little parts out and you're going to rotate at the back and tuck it in. Alright, so start taking your pleats now. Pay attention on what I am doing. Taking the pleats now. Okay, just take the pleats. After taking the pleats, we are going to arrange it. Take about 3 or 4 pleats so that you'll be able to close the back. So I'm arranging the pleats now, taking my time to arrange the pleats. Arrange the pleats, making sure they align very well. Alright, turning to this other side as well. I continue arranging the plates. Continue arranging the plates. The head wrap is easy, very simple. You can try it, you will see what I'm telling you. So keep arranging it the sides. Then after arranging it, pay close attention to what I am doing now. Holding it to the back, that shorter part goes up, then down. I use it to rotate that longer part. Then twist the remaining part this way. I twisted the remaining part and then tuck it in. Tuck it in. So please, if you're watching this video, you have to be very patient. I'm taking my time to do detailed explanation so that you don't just watch and will not be able to get anything. Alright, so take your time to listen to what I am saying here. Once you have gotten the base of the head wrap, you are good to go. So this longer part now, I twisted it just a little, then I stretch it out. Pay close attention to my hand now. I stretch it out. Then I took a rough plate, just a rough plate. Okay, a rough plate. Then I'm going to raise it this way now. You see, I raise it this way. Then I join 2 of them together. If you want the head wrap to be very high, then you drag these points now. If you don't want it to be very high, reduce that. I'm holding on my hand now, reduce it. If you want it high, then drag it up. I'm going to do a moderate one, not too high, not too small. Then pick your rubber band and fasten it together. Pick your rubber band and fasten it together this way. Make sure you fasten it very tight. Okay, you can go 2 times because I fastened it 2 times here to make sure that the rubber band is very firm on it. Okay, so pay attention now. Continue. After using rubber band to band or fastening that point now, look at what I'm going to do next. Just raise it up this way. Very easy, very simple. Alright, so I cover the wrong side of the fabric as I rotate it now. Then I continue the twist. I twisted this part now. Take it to the back. Pay close attention now. I took everything to the back. Then pick up off his pin and pin it. Now base of the head wrap has been secured. That is the base. So using office pin now to pin it, you can pin 2 times. If the first one you pin is not strong enough, you can go ahead and pin it 2 times to make sure it is very, very firm, so that your head wrap will not lose on the way, or either when you're going to church or ceremony or dancing or all that and all that. Alright, so this part now I'm going to stretch it out. The base of the head wrap has been formed. So with this now I'm going to create the 6th style. So watch now, I'm creating the first style. Alright, so stretching that part out, I drag down the edge. I use office pin to pin it. So this other side too, I'm going to do exactly the same thing, and our first style will be ready. So the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igile Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. So please do well to drop your like and your comment. Do not watch and walk away. Yes, you that is looking at me now, I'm talking to you, I am begging you, subscribe, follow me. That is just the meaning of subscribe on YouTube. Just press the subscription button or press the follow button. Follow me, help me to stay tuned on this channel. Let's learn together, let's grow together, let's dance together, let us be happy together. Alright, so you can see it now. Please don't forget to share my video to your family and friends. Let them also benefit from it. Above all, learn. Practice the same makes perfect. You can't be watching without learning. Don't say it is too difficult. It is not difficult until you try it. By the time you practice several times, you'll be able to do it. Yes, I bet you. Alright, so anywhere that needs pin, you use the office pin to pin it until you get what you want. So you can see this first style is ready now. I'm only arranging it now. Make sure you arrange it very well. You can see our Rufus without pin is ready. Yeah, that is what I call it. Now let's quickly close the back before we come to the front again. So putting it in this way, and use the other accessories to lap it. Bring it down. Just bring it down, and then you use your office pin to pin it, and you can see the back is well closed, beautifully closed. Alright, so make sure you pin it. At times it is difficult to pin, but you still need to devise a means by which you can pin your red hair. So you can see that is what the back looks like. Alright, our first style is ready. So place your hair accessories if you want. It's optional. If you don't want, you can go on with it that way. So that is the first style. We are ready to rock and rock and rock the party. Please don't go away. Let us look at the second style shortly. Alright, so that is the back. Okay, so let's keep going now. Let's look at the second style. So remove the pin from one side. Just remove the office pin from one side. Raise it up this way. Raise it up. Just squeeze it and raise it up this way. And that edge that you keep out will be pointing up, slightly pointing up. So you can see this is just one-sided Rufus. Okay, so our second style is getting ready. This accessories here now that I raised up, just drag it down. Use office pin to pin it. Use the office pin to pin it. Then you come back to arrange it, and our second style is ready. Okay, so let's keep moving. Alright, so pin it down and arrange it, and your one-sided Rufus will be ready. You can see that that side we pin out is pointing up now. You can see it's easy, very simple. Second style is ready. So get ready now to dance and rock the party. That is the second style. So we keep moving. That is the second style now. Don't get away, we still have about 4 styles to show you just with one bead. So I'm going to unpin this other side now. I'll unpin it, then I'm going to rotate it down. Pay attention because towards the end I'm still going to raise it up. So pay close attention now. You see, after unpinning it, I'm going to rotate that part down. The two edges, that is, the two edges will face off. You see what I'm doing? Just rotate it down, and then the two edges this way will face up. So another side is ready. This is the third style. So this other side that is down now, see the two edges is pointing up now. So this place now my hand is now, pay close attention. This place on my forehead now, you're going to push it up a little bit. You saw what I did there now. Just push it up a little bit so that it will not cover that pleated base. Then pick your office pin and pin it on the pleated base, the last one. Pin it there. Okay, so the third style is ready. You can leave it wide open like this. If you don't want it this way, you can use your pin to bring it together in the middle. You can use pin. So that is it. This is the third style now. Okay, if you don't like it this way, you can use office pin to bring it just from the middle. See where my hand is now, so that you will not close the two edges completely. Alright, because we're still going to close it completely. If you do that, it will give you another style. We're going to do that. Alright, so pin it just in the middle so that you still have the two edges pointing out. That is the third style. Ready for you. Place your hair accessories if you want. If you don't, you can go ahead with it that way. So you can see the third style is ready. So you rock and rock and rock and rock. Okay, so you see what I told you now, the two edges, if you close it, it will come to another style. So the two edges now, I brought them together and use office pin to hold it. I use office pin to hold it. So it has given me a rose in the middle. You can see it now. So our fourth style is ready. All those that your name is Rosemary, Mary Rose, this style is for you. This head wrap is for you. Come and learn how to tie your rose. Alright, let's keep going. We're moving to the fourth style now. Pay close attention. So removing the pin that I used to form that rose down. Wash, just remove the pin. I'm going to take it up again. You know, when we wanted to create that first style, we rotate it down. So remove this pin. Also, you use it to hold. You used to hold it from the base this way. Then we take it up again. Now this time around, bring it down from the middle. Just bring it down from the middle. Yes, just bring it down. Bring it down, making sure they are equal. Both sides are equal. So bring it down from the middle this way. Use your rubber band and hold it from the middle. Use your rubber band. Make sure that both sides are equal. Okay. So pick up your rubber band now and hold it there. Pay close attention to what I am doing. This style is very easy. Just one base and you're having 6 beautiful styles. You can imagine. Okay, so make sure you fasten it very firmly. You 2 times the way I did it now, so that it will be very tight while we continue. So now, after putting the rubber band, I'm going to bring the 2 edges down. Pay close attention now. I brought the edge down. I drag it up a little bit from up, thereby forming M shape. Yes, M for millionaire. So if you learn this trap, you are already a millionaire. Alright, so you use your office pin to hold it. Just bring the edges down. You use the office pin to pin it there. Okay, so this other side as well, we are going to do the same. You can see the M shape that I am talking about. So that is our 5th style, getting ready. So pick your office pin and hold it there. Then you can place your hair accessories if you want. You keep saying it's optional. If you don't want, you can go with your head wrap this way. It's already elegantly beautiful. Alright, so that is the hair accessory now. Just place it to cover that rubber band in the middle. You are good to go. Yes, so we are ready again to rock the party. Okay, so we are moving on to the last style now, which is the 6th style. We can still create so many styles, but just that the video is becoming too long. Yes, so removing the pin now from the edge. Pay close attention now. We are going to form a bow. So raise it up like this and fold that flap in. Use your office pin and pin it from the back. One side of the bow is ready. You can see it now. It's ready. So just pin it. So this other side now, we are still going to take the flap inside. That edge that is pointing, just take it inside. Yes, that place now I finish. Take it inside. Use your office pin to hold it. The beautiful bow style is ready. As I have said before, the person you're hearing a voice is Temi Gele Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Do well to drop your like and your comments. Please, in all these beautiful styles, which one will you prefer to try first? You can see I'm just happy because it came out super elegant.